Hey guys, I got these premium herbal pain relief patches from Slido on Amazon, and I must say they are quite helpful for temporary pain relief. They are made with herbs like peppermint oil, osmanthus oil, mugwort, eucalyptus oil, cinnamon, ginger and more. You can definitely tell from the herbal smell. Plus, you get a free ebook by scanning the included code. The patches come in a resealable pack to maintain their properties, and you get 10 patches in total. Using them is so easy. Just clean the affected area, peel the patch off the film and apply it to your skin. You can leave it overnight and gently remove it in the morning. I also appreciate that they are non-greasy and doesn't leave any residue on my skin. Plus the herbal aroma adds a relaxing touch to the experience. Just make sure you seal the packet after usage. The design is specifically made for knees, but you can also use these patches on your shoulders, feet and back. They are said to help with discomfort from joint pain, stiffness and sprains, and to promote a sense of relief. If you're looking for a natural pain relief option, give these patches a try.